In today's fast-paced world, juggling multiple projects, deadlines, and team members can feel like a high-wire act without a safety net. Spreadsheets, while familiar, often fall short when it comes to providing the dynamic and collaborative environment needed for successful project management. This is where Smartsheet steps in, offering a powerful and intuitive platform designed to streamline workflows, enhance communication, and ultimately, drive better project outcomes. As a seasoned project management professional, I've seen firsthand the transformative impact Smartsheet can have on teams of all sizes and across various industries. It's more than just a glorified spreadsheet. It's a versatile work management solution that empowers you to plan, track, automate, and report on your projects with unprecedented clarity and efficiency. Let's delve into the key benefits that make Smartsheet a game-changer for project management. 1. Enhanced collaboration and communication. One of the most significant advantages of Smartsheet lies in its ability to foster seamless collaboration. Gone are the days of endless email threads and version control nightmares. Smartsheet provides a central hub where all project-related information, tasks, deadlines, documents, discussions, resides in real time. Multiple team members can simultaneously access and update sheets, ensuring everyone is always on the same page. Features like in-sheet commenting, file attachments, and automated update requests facilitate clear and direct communication. You can tag specific team members for attention, track conversation history, and ensure that critical information isn't lost in the shuffle. This level of transparency and shared access empowers team members to work together more effectively, identify potential roadblocks early, and resolve issues proactively. 2. Real-time visibility and tracking. Staying on top of project progress is crucial for timely completion and successful outcomes. Smartsheet offers powerful visualization tools that provide real-time insights into the status of tasks, milestones, and overall project health. Customizable dashboards and reports allow you to monitor key metrics, identify potential delays, and make data-driven decisions. Whether you prefer a Gantt chart view to visualize timelines and dependencies, a card view for agile task management, or a calendar view to track deadlines, Smartsheet offers flexible options to suit your needs. This real-time visibility empowers project managers to proactively address risks, allocate resources effectively, and keep stakeholders informed of progress. 3. Streamlined workflow automation. Manual, repetitive tasks can consume valuable time and effort that could be better spent on strategic activities. Smartsheet's robust automation capabilities allow you to streamline workflows and automate routine processes. You can set up automated alerts and reminders for upcoming deadlines, trigger updates when task statuses change, and even create automated approval workflows. Imagine automatically notifying the next responsible team member when a task is completed, or sending a daily summary of overdue tasks to the project manager. These automations not only save time but also reduce the risk of human error and ensure that critical steps are never overlooked. 4. Improved organization and centralized data. Smartsheet acts as a central repository for all project-related data, eliminating the need to hunt through multiple spreadsheets, emails, and documents. By organizing tasks, subtasks, dependencies, assignees, and deadlines within a structured sheet, you gain a clear and comprehensive overview of your project. This centralized data makes it easier to track progress, identify bottlenecks, and generate insightful reports. You can easily filter, sort, and group data to analyze specific aspects of your project and gain valuable insights into team performance and resource allocation. 5. Enhanced accountability and responsibility. Clearly assigning tasks and deadlines to specific team members is essential for accountability. Smartsheet allows you to assign ownership to each task and track their progress. Automated reminders ensure that individuals are aware of their responsibilities and upcoming deadlines. This level of transparency fosters a sense of ownership and accountability within the team. When everyone knows who is responsible for what and when, it reduces confusion, minimizes delays, and promotes a more proactive approach to project execution. 6. Scalability and flexibility. Whether you're managing a small team or a large, complex project, Smartsheet offers the scalability and flexibility to adapt to your evolving needs. You can easily add or remove team members, create new sheets and workspaces, and customize the platform to align with your specific project requirements and organizational workflows. Smartsheet's versatility extends across various industries and project types, from marketing campaigns and software development to construction projects and event planning. Its adaptable nature makes it a valuable tool for teams of all sizes and across diverse sectors.